Hey people, welcome to the stream. So let's wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll start. So just give me a minute, okay? Let me check if I'm live or not. Yeah, I am live. So me just a second. Okay. 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 Let's increase today's watching just for fun, okay? Not sure if anybody joins, but yeah. Okay, cool. The setup is ready. So till then, for 2 minutes. Uh, okay, the study plan here is for the people who watch the video in the future. So to have or to solve SQL 50 problems, both in SQL and in Pandas. Okay. So today's problem would be immediate food delivery, and we will like most probably take help of Open AI today. Okay, and try to break down the query in the simple format. Okay, but yeah, let's go through the description of the problem statement in a minute, and then we can start. Okay, so till then you can. Okay, anyways, we will start. Okay, today a minute early, nothing to worry. So we have the delivery table with the column name, as you can see, delivery ID, customer ID, order date, and customer preferred delivery date. So we have two date columns, and delivery ID is the column of unique values in this table. So the table holds the information about the food delivery to customers that make the orders at some date, and specify a preferred delivery date, okay, on the same order date or after it. Okay, so this you need to understand. So if the customer preferred delivery date is the same as the order date, then the order is called immediate. Okay, so if the preferred delivery date is same as order date, so basically if the preferred delivery date is same as order date, then it is called as immediate, otherwise it is called as scheduled. Okay, and the first order of the customer is the order with the earliest order date that the customer made. It is guaranteed that the customer has precisely one first order. Okay, so we need to write a solution to find the percentage of immediate orders uh, in the first orders of all customers and round it to two decimal places. So we need to find the immediate orders, not the scheduled one. Okay, and the result format is the following example. So let's understand the data, and then like we can proceed with it. So we have the delivery ID, customer ID, and order date and customer preferred delivery date. Okay, so here you can see 1 1, and order date is 2019. Okay, 1 8 2019, and customer preferred delivery date is 2 8 2019. Okay, okay, so now here is the explanation. If the customer ID 1 has the first order with the delivery ID 1 and it is scheduled. Okay, so it is 1, and preferred delivery date is 2 8. That means it is scheduled, it is not on the same date. Okay, so it is scheduled. And 2 has the first order with the delivery ID 2 and it is immediate. So 2, as you can see, it is on the same day, so it is immediate. Okay, and 3 has the first order with the delivery ID 5 and it is scheduled. So 3, it is scheduled because the preferred delivery date is 12. Okay, so similarly for others. Okay, so immediate percentage in the sense like we need to divide it with the total number of customers, and like the numerator would be the number of customers with the immediate and upon the total number of customers. Okay, so that is the reason we got here 50%. Okay, so let's go to the query and let's ask, okay, I will take you through the query once and then like you can break it down using the OpenAI. Okay, so what we are doing here is select round of 100%, that is basically the percent, and you can see it is rounding into two digits. Okay, so case when, so customer preferred delivery date is equal to order date, so that is the immediate orders, then 1. Okay, else 0, that means what we are doing, wherever the preferred delivery date is equal to order date, then we are considering 1 and we are then summing it up. Okay, and upon count star, in the sense the total number of uh, orders or customers. Okay, as immediate percentage from delivery o. Okay, so this is the table delivery o, where order date. Okay, so now the order date is, it should be the minimum, right? That means the first order date. So where order date is equal to select min of order date. So o2, in the sense we are considering the self join, so o is like the delivery, and from delivery o2, in the sense the self join table, where o2 dot customer id is equal to o dot customer id. So basically we are joining it on customer id. So hope this is clear, but let's give this query uh, to GPT and ask it to explain with breakdown and example. Okay, so let it generate. Okay, so till then let's run this query. Okay, today like the Leetcode is facing some issues. It is not able to run the test cases, so it might take some time. Okay, so just bear with me. Let me refresh. So the test case will pass, but since Leetcode is facing the problem, let's not go there. Okay, so now let's understand it from here. Okay, so the main calculation is from this. So basically the round case and the customer, okay, else or count 0. Okay, so let's understand it. So this rounds the result into two places that we know. Okay, and 100 sum counts to. So this is to convert the result into percentage. Multiplying by 100 gives the percentage. Okay, so that is also clear, and this checks whether it is the immediate order. Okay, that is also correct. Okay, so count star is basically this counts all the rows, the total number of orders in the data set. Okay, so that is the thing. So next is so basically this query is clear or straightforward, you can say. So where clause filters only the first orders for each customers by finding the minimum order date for each customer id. Okay, and the select minimum order, this selects the minimum order date for the delivery table, and o2 is an alias. Okay, so from here you can see first order for each customer. So customer one is 1/1/2024. This is the first. Okay, instead of 1/2 it is 1/1. Customer 2 is 3/1. Okay, instead of 15, and customer 3 is 10/1. Okay, so like that it filters, and immediate order is 1 because this is equal to this is equal to this, like that. Okay, and 3 immediate orders upon 3 total orders into 100 is 100%. Okay, so this is how it is calculated. So just go through it, you will understand it. Okay, 111. Okay, so total of 3 immediate orders, so that is the reason we have 3 orders. Okay, into 100. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see we are facing some network issue here. Not sure why it is though, but yeah. Okay, it accepted. Let's submit it. So as you can see we got the immediate percentage. Okay, so let's go to pandas now. Okay, In case of pandas, it is a bit trickier because first what we are doing, we are grouping the customer ID, okay, with respect to the minimum, and then we are considering the len of order date where the date is equal to the preferred date, that is basically the immediate customers, and then we are calculating the percentage, that is num divided by 10, okay, into 100, and we are rounding it to 2. Okay, so let's understand this query also using GPT. Okay, so let's ask it to break down this using example. Okay, so let's see here itself. So here, as we know, the pandas groups it by customer ID, meaning all rows of orders for each customer will be grouped together. Okay, min for each group, each customer, this will return the row with the minimum value for each column, which is in this case it is the earliest order date. Okay, so basically the min gives us the minimum order date, that is the earliest, as well as corresponding customer preferred delivery date. So so this is like the example of the data set, and here you can see 1 1, this is the minimum. Okay, so this is the output of the df will look like, so this. Okay, and len of df is basically this gives the total number of rows in df, that is the 3. Okay, so df has 3 rows. So basically what we are doing here is first like this delivery is basically the data frame, and we are storing it in the df. Okay, so this is basically the denominator. Okay, and this is like the numerator. Okay, so where the order date is equal to customer preferred delivery date, that gives us the immediate orders. Okay, so as you can see, length of df where order date is equal to customer delivery date, which basically gives us the 3 again. Okay, so basically it is like uh, just a second. So what it is doing, okay, why it is not generating, it is like it is 2 upon 3, that is the reason it is giving us 66.67. Okay, I think 2 by 3 66.67, 2 by 3 is, yeah, so it is 2 by 3. So this query is not clear, but it is 2 by 3. Okay, so don't get confused here. So basically length of okay, so here the length of data frame where the order date is equal to customer preferred delivered date, basically the immediate customers, is stored in numerator, and length of the customer id with the minimum date is stored in denominator, and then we are converting this to pd.data frame and giving the column name as immediate percentage and numerator by denominator into 100 to convert this into percentage and rounding it to 2. Okay, so hope this is also clear with respect to the pandas. Okay, let's submit this. If you have any doubts, do comment it out, and then we can solve it query then and there. Okay, so yeah, so hope this is clear. If you learned something from this video, do like, share with your friends who are trying to upskill in the same. And yeah, till then, meet you in the next problem statement. Till then, take care. Bye bye.